Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. This is the first video regarding NEET SS 2024. Till now through this channel you were getting the updates regarding NEET PG only. But now for the next subsequent videos we will talk about NEET SS particularly. NEET SS 2024 examinations are already over on 29th and 30th of March. Okay. Those who are new here, please do subscribe this channel so that you can get all the details about these points. Like in this video itself, we will talk about which super specialty branches you are eligible for depending on the group or the department you completed your PG in. Which government colleges and private colleges are having the MCH or DM specializations, and in which specialization, how is the seat matrix. We will talk based on the last year counseling fee structure for the private college and deemed universities. We will also talk about the bond, penalty and stipend, how the process of counseling is different in NEET SS from NEET PG, why it's required to compare with the NEET PG, because you already have experience and exposure of attending NEET PG counseling. Expected closing rank, or we will talk about the last year closing rank. Notification updates you will keep on receiving through this YouTube channel, and qualifying details also we'll talk plethora of information. If so, please do subscribe this channel. Result is expected to come on 30th of April 2025. This is not NEET SS 2025. This is NEET SS 2024 because 24 session didn't happen yet. The examination didn't get conducted in the year of 2024. So we are counting it as NEET SS 2024. And the brochure also talks about it as NEET SS 2024. So don't keep a confusion. Last year the result got declared in 2023 on 15th October, and the counseling started around 23 days later on 8th of November. So this year we are expecting the counseling to start from 20th of May. Around like 20 days later the result is declared. In 2023 there were 13 groups for the examination, and this time they have increased. 2 more groups are added for the examination, that is medical oncology and critical care medicine group. This is very important, which group are eligible for which specialization. If you are coming from the medical group, so mainly medical group, surgical group. Okay, so medical group candidates are eligible to fill the choices for these specialization: cardiology, clinical hematology, clinical immunology and rheumatology, endocrinology, medical gastroenterology, hepatology, infectious diseases, medical genetics, nephrology and neurology. These 10 specializations are covered under medical group. So during the examination, if you have selected medical group, okay, then you are eligible for these specializations, okay, this DM. For the surgical group, they can go for MCH. So 12 different MCH you are eligible for: cardiovascular and thoracic surgery, pediatric cardiothoracic vascular surgery, pediatric surgery, surgical gastroenterology, hepatobiliary surgery, neurosurgery, plastic reconstructive surgery, urology, vascular surgery, surgical oncology, endocrine surgery and thoracic surgery. If you have attended the examination under the pediatric group, then you are eligible for neonatology, pediatric hepatology, pediatric nephrology, pediatric oncology, pediatric neurology, pediatric cardiology, pediatric gastroenterology and pediatric critical care. For those who are coming under OBG group, they are eligible for gynecological oncology, reproductive medicine and surgery. Anesthesia group are eligible for these 4 super specialization: cardiac anesthesia, neuroanesthesia, organ transplant anesthesia and critical care, pediatric and neonatal anesthesia. Radio diagnosis group are eligible for 2 super specialization branches, neuroradiology and very popular interventional radiology. Respiratory medicine group are eligible for pulmonary medicine. Microbiology group are eligible for virology and pathology group are eligible for oncopathology. Psychiatric group is eligible for 2 branches, geriatric mental health and child and adolescent psychiatry. Pharmacology group are eligible for clinical pharmacology. ENT group are eligible for just 1 super specialization, that is head and neck surgery. Okay, there are no more options as per the, and these details are taken from the official prospectus. Orthopedic group are eligible for hand surgery and pediatric orthopedic. Critical care medicine group eligible for critical care medicine, and medical oncology group is eligible for medical oncology. Okay, see, this is the these are the specialization versus the group mapping. So you might have selected multiple group, okay, based on the eligibility. Okay, so depending on your eligibility or the group you come under, you will get the option to choose during the choice filling the branches, and you can choose n number of options. There is no limitation. We will talk about in detail. Okay, this is the first video, so please keep subscribe the please keep the channel subscribed, and this is the number 9319128677. You can send us WhatsApp message, or you can also call us to make an inquiry about the paid counseling guidance. Okay, so that's all from my side in this video. We will connect again and we'll talk in more detail about these details which are going to talk in the further videos, and we will also introduce with a portal we are going to develop. We are in the phase of development. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.